Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope God is protecting us, God is keeping us safe in this season. Please keep safe, okay? Do the right thing you're supposed to do and leave the rest to God. To my lovely subscribers, I say you are welcome, and if this is your first time seeing me, thank you for stopping by. Please click the subscribe button and get connected to this channel. I appreciate you stopping by. Hey, today, yes, like I did, there was a video I unboxed air fryer, and I promised to do the rest because I got two lovely gifts, and I did the unboxing of one and said the other one will be in the next video. Here I am to show you the rice cooker, okay, to unbox it with you, and we'll be using it to do stuffs, but not in this video, in a separate video too. So just come along with me, let's see it together and unbox it together, guys. Yeah, the name is Cookworks, that's the marker. Black rice cooker. It's not that it cooks only black rice, but because the pot is black. Yeah, here an instruction manual. Let's see what's inside. Here we have a lid. Here we have a measuring cup. Here we have a spatula. Here we have a pot. Let's use the manual to see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is number one, the lid handle, and number two, the glass lid, removable. All right, this is removable. Whenever you want to wash it, you can lose it and do the complete washing. And three, we have the cooking bowl. That's this, the cooking bowl. It's removable. Yes, you can detach it. Can you show the inside of this? Yes, this is where you place the cooking bowl, and this is the cooking bowl. Now let's just bring everything out so we see fully the black rice cooker. Move down to this. We know what this one is. This is the cable and the plug. The cable and the plug. And here, let's continue, guys. This is the warm indicator lamp. Yes, if you switch it on, it's gonna be bringing forth yellow lights. And we have cooker housing. That's this, the whole of this. That's the housing. Can you show the inside? Yes, this is the cooker housing. Now here we have control panel. Yeah, here, this is the control panel, number 8. We have the cook switch. That's this one. If you want to cook, you press and it will switch on. Then we have the on and off. On, off. We have the spatula. I said this before. And we have the measuring cup. Okay, that's the components. We've seen all. Then they gave some instructions. They said that rice is a natural product, and as it is, the cooking of the rice varies depending on the type of rice. White rice can cook easily, so they made it mainly for white rice, and they gave advice if you're cooking brown or black rice that takes more time, that you should add more water to the cooking so that it can absorb more water and cook well. Before using this for the first time, you're gonna wash it thoroughly with warm water and mild soap. You're gonna wash it thoroughly. Wash this, and the lid. After doing the washing, you engage in cooking. They gave the guidelines step by step how you can use it, and they said the minimum rice it can cook is 2 cups of this, and these 2 cups can serve for 3 people from the lift length. Then they said the maximum is 8 cups. That's what this pot can do. It can handle 2 cups to 8 cups. Now they come down here to show how many minutes for each cooking. Like 2 cups, you expect it to cook with 16 minutes to 20 minutes. 4 cups, 20 minutes to 24 minutes. 6 cups, 24 minutes to 28. 8 cups, 28 to 34 minutes. That's how long it will take to cook. The quantity, the longer time it takes to cook. So it's a simple appliance. I don't think it has so much problem to it. And here they talk about cleaning. After cooking, you switch off, you unplug, you wash the loose parts, the washable parts, and you wipe this part very well with a mild soap and warm water. This is a very brief and short review, and we're gonna be practicalizing this. I know it's a rice cooker, but I will experiment with this stuff. I will try to see if it can make other stuffs other than rice. For curiosity, you know, I will try to experiment to see if it can do more than cooking rice. Okay, and Nigerian jollof rice is waiting for you. All right. Okay guys, this is the review about this stuff. This kitchenware is a very simple and concise appliance. So we're gonna be seeing how it works in another video. See you guys, and thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. And my subscribers, I always love you all. I'm proud of you all being there, watching my videos, keeping my channel going. God bless you all. Bye bye. See you all. Ciao ciao.